Would you like to become an athlete without going to the gym? I will show you how to edit your image using PhotoDirector AI. Go to the app, tap Edit, choose your image you would like to work with, and then choose Portrait and AI Cartoon. Here you can find Athlete, click on it, and wait a few seconds while AI is doing magic. You can also become an elf, police officer, princess, prince, cowboy, schoolgirl, or a maid. But now we will see athlete soon. Here we go. Very muscular, nice. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your image. Bye bye.